This is Liu channel. My name is Martin. I hope you guys have a great day. Today we make the dish. It's called fried eggplant with ground meat. The Chinese name is called 肉沫茄子. The main ingredients we need: 1 or 2 eggplant, and 1 scallion, and 1 tablespoon and chopped ginger. To make this, we also need a kind of over 1 cup of ground beef. You can go on ground beef, ground pork, any ground meat is okay. Just need to have some fat in the meat. We use the ground beef in this dish. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we cut the scallion. The scallion already washed, so we just cut the root off. And the green part we just cut some kind of dry part of it. And then chop it. Probably like just this. We add it to the ginger. And the scallion ginger. Okay, we cut the eggplant. This eggplant, we peel this part. So you cut it. Throw it. And the garlic, the eggplant, we cut like this. And then we cut it like this. Okay, it will be like this. So the pan will be like this with the pot. We want the eggplant to have skin connected. If no skin, and the eggplant will fall pieces in the food. Yeah, so that's what we need. What's the eggplant we get? You can use 1 eggplant. I just use 2. Okay, this is the eggplant we get, and this is the potato starch. You can use cornstarch. We add 2 teaspoons of potato starch to the eggplant. Let it rub the eggplant, and the eggplant and coat the rub it so that the eggplant coat the potato starch or the cornstarch. So this way the eggplant won't absorb too much oil when we fry it. So that's a trick part. Probably just little 1 more tablespoon. 4 teaspoons. Rub it like all the eggplant to absorb, get the coated by the starch. So this way, and when fried, the eggplant won't absorb too much oil to it. Oil is so oil, the eggplant. If you think the eggplant too long, you can cut it to half. Okay, you can see the eggplant coated with the starch when we fry it. Turn the stove, medium flame. When the pot is hot, and add 1 to 2 cups vegetable oil. Add 2 cups vegetable oil to it. Rinse the pot. Just wait the oil is hot, and we will add the eggplant into it to fry it. Add 1 piece chopped scallion into it to see if the oil is ready. Yeah, we can see right now the the oil is ready, we add the eggplant to the oil to fry. And fried. We just fried and when a little while, and then we tend to fry the outside of the eggplant. So, and make the eggplant fully cooked. And right now we turn it over to fry the outside. Okay, we see the eggplant is right now become this color, and it's fried, and both sides are cooked, and use the chopstick you poke, and it's very tender. So we just get the eggplant out to drain the oil and fry more eggplant. Drain this oil. Careful when you fry start, be careful. Okay, we drain the oil of the eggplant and drain the oil here. Then add more eggplant into the oil to slowly to fry all of them. Okay, you see the eggplant, we just fry one side and tend to fry the other side. So when the both sides become golden brown, then we get it out to drain the oil. Yeah, we add this, drain the oil eggplant into the plate, and get those the other rest of the eggplant, those eggplant out and drain the oil. We get it out. You can see the chopstick poke, and it's very easy to go through. So this eggplant is fully cooked. Okay, we get it and drain the oil here. Okay, when the eggplant, the last part of the eggplant become golden brown and crispy outside, and inside you can use the chopstick easy to poke through. This eggplant is fully cooked. We just get it out from the oil and then drain the oil and turn off the stove and drain the oil. You drain the oil and add the last part of the eggplant to the plate, and drain the oil into this pot. Be careful, don't turn it on. Okay. Turn the stove. Medium flame. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to the pot. Vegetable oil. You can also add the fried oil. Either is okay. So I just when the oil is hot, we add the ground beef into it to slowly to fry. It's a little over 1 cup of ground beef. To fry the beef until the beef is fully cooked and the fat in the beef come to the oil. Then we go to the next step. You slowly stir fry and let the fat in the meat come out to the oil. When most of the fat come to the oil and the meat is separated, and most meat is fully cooked, we add the ginger and the scallion into it to keep it fried. Just let it fry until the ginger and the scallion release good smell. When the ginger and the scallion release good smell, we add the eggplant into it. This is fried. Time for the separated eggplant. This is 13 spices. If you don't have 13 spices, just add the 5 spices or no 5 spices, just add a pinch of black pepper to it. And then fry it. This is the soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce to it. This is salt. We add half teaspoon salt to it. This is the chicken soup based mixture. Add a pinch to it. Don't add too much. Okay, we try the meat and the flavor. The flavor is good. And this dish is now on top of the stove. So the fried eggplant with ground meat, this dish is done, and hope you guys like it. And please subscribe, share, like, and comment, and see you next time.